Yeah, like Sephora and such.
Did you just hear that?
What the fuck was that?
That was loud. That was close.
That was close?
Yeah.